Welcome back to our ServiceNow item learning series. In this session, we focus on cloud asset management, an essential area as more organizations adopt hybrid and cloud native models. We will explore how ServiceNow gives IT teams the tools to discover, track, optimize, and govern cloud resources across environments like IaaS, SaaS, and PaaS. Let's get started. Categories of cloud assets. Cloud asset management starts with understanding the different categories of cloud resources that your organization uses. ServiceNow supports IaaS infrastructure as a service, which contains virtual machines, storage, and computer resources from providers like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. PaaS platform as service, development platforms and services like database, container and runtime environment. Then SaaS, software as a service, subscriptions like Microsoft 365, Salesforce or Zoom. And hybrid models where on-premises infrastructure is extended into the cloud through tools like VPNs, APIs or hybrid cloud connectors. Identifying these types is the first step toward unified visibility and control. Visibility and control via cloud management. The next critical step is gaining visibility and enforcing control over cloud resources. ServiceNow's cloud management features include Cloud Discovery, which identifies IaaS, SaaS, and PaaS assets across cloud accounts. Resource grouping allowing you to organize assets by department, region, or cost center. Use of cloud tags making it easier to filter, report, and apply rules based on asset metadata. And enforcing access policies to control who can deploy, modify, or terminate cloud resources. With these tools, ServiceNow helps eliminate shadow IT and ensures cloud assets are governed properly. Cloud cost optimization and monitoring. One of the most valuable benefits of cloud asset management is cost optimization. Using ServiceNow, you can set budget alerts to notify when spending approach thresholds, monitoring spending dashboards that break down costs by service, region, or team, track autoscale behavior to ensure resources scale effectively with demand, and eliminate waste through idle resource detection and cuts, shutting down unused servers or services automatically. These features not only reduce cloud overspend but also give finance and IT the visibility they need to plan effectively. Governance and life cycle of cloud resources. Lastly, effective governance is key to control risk in cloud. ServiceNow enables compliance rules such as enforcing encryption, naming standards, or geographic restrictions. Approval workflows for provisioning, ensuring requests are reviewed and documented. Auto retirement rules, which decomposition unused or non compliant resources after a defined period, and lifecycle tagging, tracking each cloud assets from provisioning to retirement for full traceability. This brings security, compliance, and operational oversight together into one system. Let's wrap up with a quick recap. Cloud asset management covers all asset types: IaaS, PaaS, SaaS, and hybrid environments. With ServiceNow, you gain full visibility and control over your cloud footprint. You can drive cost optimization through real time monitoring and automation, and enforce governance with workflows, policies, and lifecycle rules. In the next part of our series, we will explore how ServiceNow supports procurement management for IT assets. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more insights into IT asset management with ServiceNow.